What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to replace your fan clutch in your OBS 7.3 Powerstroke. First step's going to be to pop your hood and open it up. After that, you're going to have two bolts that are holding in the fan shroud that need to be removed. And also on the bottom of the fan shroud, this is on the passenger side of the vehicle, you're going to have 3 hose clips that you need to remove the hoses from. Once those 2 bolts are removed, you're going to grab your fan clutch wrench. You're going to need a 47mm for this fan clutch. If you don't have one of these wrenches, I recommend getting them on Amazon. I think this kit cost me like $80. And it came with a few wrenches, so I think it was worth it. But if not, you can also make your own wrench. I've seen people do that. When I was originally trying to loosen the fan clutch, the whole fan assembly was just turning with it. So I couldn't get it to budge, so I used the other tool in that kit, and what it does is that it holds the water pump bolts, it latches onto 2 of them or locks onto 2 of them, and then you're able to spin the fan clutch nut without spinning the water pump. And once it's broken free, you can remove it by hand just by turning it. This is also right hand thread, so you're going to want to loosen this to the passenger side. I also removed the top radiator hose just to make this process easier. I'm not sure if you can do it with the hose on, but I just got it out of the way to make it simple. This part is a little bit difficult to catch the fan clutch as it's going to fall off the bolt. So if you're worried about it smacking to your radiator or anything of that nature, you could put a piece of cardboard down there. I'm going to be reusing these 6 bolts right here. For me, they were 13mm, and they're not on there that tightly, so I just broke them free with a 1/2-inch ratchet. Now the fan clutch might be stuck to the actual fan just from years of it being bolted together. You could just give it a few taps with a hammer. I'm actually not going to be using that fan. I ended up switching to a 6.0 Powerstroke fan. It's an upgrade for these OBS trucks. You're not able to do it on the new body style 7.3 because the bolt patterns is different. But on the OBSs, it's the same. So the 6.0 fans, even though they're plastic, they're lighter and they move more air. So it's less wear and tear on your water pump. And it's going to be more efficient at cooling your truck. As you can see, it lines up perfectly. I put 2 bolts in just to hold the fan clutch up. And the other 4 bolts, I put a little bit of Loctite on. At first bolt, I probably put too much, so I just smeared it on a second one. At this point, I didn't record it, but I torqued these bolts down. I did them to 17 foot-pounds. They don't need a lot. And I also saw it on one of the forums, so sounds good enough to me. Now this is probably one of the hardest, or it is the hardest part of this job, is going to be reinstalling the fan clutch. Trying to get that nut on the fan clutch to line up and catch the threads on the power steering pump is a pretty big pain. This footage is sped up. It probably took me, I would say, 10 minutes to get it to finally catch and to rotate it on there. Once you get it to catch, it's super simple. You just turn the fan and it'll tighten itself. Be careful when you're turning the fan because it is sharp. It will cut you, at least this plastic fan. Once you get the fan clutch most of the way on, I started to put everything back together. I put the top radiator hose on. And I also put the 2 bolts back on the top of the fan shroud. Now I did that just so the fan shroud wasn't in my way because it was flopping forward. So it was making it hard to tighten the fan because you had to hold the fan shroud up. For tightening the fan, I'm not sure how tight you need to make it. I just snugged it up, and then as soon as the engine started turning with the fan, I left it. The engine's going to be spinning that way either way, so it should tighten. The last step is to put the lines back into the clips on the bottom of the fan shroud. And that's how you install a new fan clutch into your truck. Pretty simple. It took me about an hour and a half, I would say, and that's also with recording. So it's not really a bad job. The most annoying part, like I said, is just trying to get the fan back on to the water pump. And this last clip that I'm going to show here is my old fan. I have no clue what happened to this thing, but it was pretty badly mangled, one of the fins. Even maybe the second fin there, I'm not positive. But yeah, that's how you install a fan clutch. Hopefully this helped you guys. If you're interested in seeing me replacing my front leaf springs on this truck, you can click this video right here.